So here we have the second derivative test. So f of x equals negative 3x to the fifth power plus 5x to the cubed. And so from there we are going to find the derivative of the function, which would be negative 15x to the fourth plus 15x squared, and we would equal this to 0. Since 15 is both factorable, we can factor it out. We can factor out 15 out of the equation. And set it to 0. And then x squared minus 1, that is factorable as well. X minus 1, x plus 1 equaling 0. So now that we have our x's, we can find our second derivative of the function, which should be negative 60x cubed plus 30x. And so we use our x's and plug them into the second derivative, which would equal and then for the second derivative of negative 1 with the negative 1 in the x, that would be 30 is greater than 0. And then if we plug in 0, that would mean 0, which means that the test fails. And if we plug 1, it would be negative 60 plus 30 equaling negative 30 is less than 0. And for the justifications, we would say there is a max at x equaling 1, and the first derivative of 1 is equal to 0, and the second derivative of negative 1 is greater than 0. And then we would say there is a min at x equals negative 1, f prime of negative 1 is equal to 0, and then the second derivative is less than 0. And that is the second derivative test.